Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to continue with our story about OPENXLSX library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make hyperlinks and to append those to your workbook. First of all, what hyperlinks are in Excel document. They are the way to reference some file from your local file system and how that actually works. Only thing that you have to know are two lines of code. Let me show you how that works. First of all, let me tell you what this means that you have already on the screen. With first line we are importing our library, with second line we are creating workbook, and with third line we are appending worksheet to our workbook, and at the end we are going to save all of that to one external document. And now I'm going to create hyperlink with the function make hyperlink string, and first argument is going to be actual string, and second argument it's actually file from your file system that you want to reference. And I have prepared empty file, and now I'm going to append this link to our document. And how we are going to do that? With exact the same function that we have been using with formulas. So write formula. For Excel, hyperlink, it's a kind of formula, so this is not a miracle that we are using exact this function. First argument is going to be our workbook. Second is going to be index or name of our worksheet. Then start row is going to be, let's say, 5. Start column is going to be likewise, and x is going to hold value of x. X is actually our formula or our hyperlink, and we are going to provide a variable of x, and that is actually our hyperlink itself. And we are going to run this code, and let me show you what we have. Yeah, we have this empty file. So there is the message that we could follow this hyperlink, but I don't want to do that. You could experiment for yourself. So that's all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya.